Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Travel with Toniann, and it's my birthday. And as tradition goes, I'm back at one of my favorite spots in Jamaica, and that's Strawberry Hill. And it is nestled in the heart of the Blue Mountains. Now, this place is my little slice of heaven, and I can't wait to take you along for the day. From a relaxing massage to a mouth-watering lunch, it will be an unforgettable birthday celebration. Let's dive in. Now, getting here from Kingston is half the adventure. Strawberry Hills is located in Irish Town, about an hour from Kingston. The drive takes you through these lush, winding mountain roads, not for the faint of heart. The views are stunning. Trust me, by the time you get here, you're already in a little relaxation mode. Now, on your way there, you'll pass lots of shops. There's Cafe Blue. There are little tuck shops around the place. Really nice, nestled community. Now, as I said before, the driving is not for the faint of heart. You will see a little landslide here and there. Nothing to worry about. But, you just take your time and drive and just enjoy the views. Now, one thing to know, you can't just show up. You have to make your reservation, whether it's to go to the spa or to have lunch, dinner, or breakfast, any form of dining. You have to make reservations. So I suggest you call before or send them a message on their DM on their social media pages, right? If you do happen to show up, there is an access fee of 25 US to come on the property. And if you decide to dine or do their spa services once it's available, then you will be credited the 25 US. That was my understanding. So we had to call before we booked our spa. You have to give your name at the front, and then you park. Now, parking can be a little bit tricky. When we went there was a event, and the parking was a little bit tricky, but we eventually found a spot. Now, a little bit about the property. This property has a rich history. It was originally an 18th century coffee plantation, but in the 1970s, it was transformed by Chris Blackwell. He's the guy that's behind Island Records and the development of Bob Marley and the Wailers' career. He helped put reggae on the global map. Now, over the years, it has welcomed pretty iconic guests like Bob Marley, Grace Jones, and the Rolling Stone. Can you imagine these stories these walls could tell? Now, I know up to last year recently, they were under sale, so I'm not sure who is the owner now, but they still have their operations, so that's something to note. It's a bit overcast, but still beautiful. Look like they had a wedding here. Shadow. They had a wedding here. They do have weddings here and events. And you can sit here, have a drink, and enjoy the views. That is beautiful. Look at it. So this is the way to go to the spa. So the parking there, parking lot is very packed. So this is the way. So my first stop is the spa. Let me tell you something. I have been doing this for the past 6 years, and it's always a pleasure. I got their 60-minute signature massage, which was worth every penny of 115 US dollars. You know, the moment you step in the space, it's calm, it has that vibe, it's just relaxing, and you know, you have that old centric vibe, which I really like. Just outdoor, just nice. It's just a great atmosphere. Some of the views you get when you come here. So I'm here at Strawberry Hills, and this is my massage. You get to soak your feet. They provide a robe for you and slippers, and you have to fill out this form. So I'm about to fill it out. Really nice, really nice. Thank you. No. So this is the form that you have to fill out, which includes your name, John, you know, the stress levels and everything. So you get to soak for about, I think, 10 or 15 minutes. Just soak and relax and just enjoy the cool breeze. Breezy, and I just love doing this. It's just relaxing. Yeah. And big up to my masseuse, Carrie. She has been doing my massage over the years, and she does an amazing job. So if you ever do a spa treatment at Strawberry Hill, please ask for Carrie. Tell her Travel with Toniann sent you.
You want to put the stuff inside the bed in here?
Yep. So I have just finished my massage. All oily, but it was good. I did a signature massage here, and it was really good. I didn't even know when she was finished. So we're gonna head back out, and we're gonna have lunch. So I'll see you in a few. This is one of the rooms, and here is the view here. Really nice on a good day. But this view is amazing. Look at that. Here is another room as well. All right, my massage is done, and it's as usual top tier. I feel like a brand new person. Seriously, if you're ever here, make the spa a priority. It's like therapy for your body and mind. Now, I usually get there's this Blue Mountain spa treatment that I get, and that one is really good. You should also try that one. So next up is lunch, and because lunch is served between 12 and 3 p.m. we had to pre-order our lunch because the spa treatment had finished about 4 o'clock, and by that time lunch would have been done. So we pre-ordered our lunch, and you know, we just walked around, got some shots, and just enjoyed the property. Now Strawberry Hill has an incredible in-house restaurant, and their menu is all about showcasing Jamaican flavors with a gourmet twist. All right, so we pre-ordered before we did the massage because lunch is a certain time. So we ordered Jamaican dough, which is oxtail and curry goat with rice and peas. And my partner got Creole chicken with shrimp. Yeah, and we're gonna dig in. We're just waiting on the food. The views are amazing. It is a little bit of sunset. So yeah. Alrighty. So I have to drink my sorrel beer because it's the festive season. Put that there, but this is my food. The food here always tastes good. I don't forget my napkin. They brought bread, but I don't think I have that. So here we have the curry goat. And the food here always tastes good for me. Not bad. Nice. Rice is a little cold, but it'll work. And I love the curry with an oxtail combo. Can't go wrong with that. Amazing. I always love to be up by Strawberry Hill because it's just so nice and relaxing. It's just one of my favorite places to be. I've been coming here for the past, I don't know, 10 years. But every time for my birthday, Christmas, I'm here and I enjoy it. And I've stayed here before and I want to stay here again. About to finish, so I got some dessert here. This is grape nuts ice cream. Here we go. And it's all made here. So I'm gonna taste it. Hopefully it tastes good. Stick in. It's nice. Actually, it tastes good. Creamy. So this is the bill. We paid 13,000. We had 2 meals, 2 red stripe, sorrel, and ice cream. I think that's not bad. And the most amazing part is just eating your food and seeing the views of Kingston. Absolutely amazing. So for me, the food and the ambiance and the vibes, everything is just on point. Now, after the lunch, I took some time to chill by the infinity pool and look at the view. It's like the world just stretches out in front of you. No better way to end the day than soaking in the serenity of the Blue Mountains. I actually got to see the sun set, and it's the most beautiful scene I've ever seen in a very long time. And guys, that's a wrap on my birthday celebration at Strawberry Hills. This place never fails to remind me why I keep coming back every year. From the history to the views, the spa, and the incredible food, it's truly one of Jamaica's gem. Now, if you're looking for the perfect day trip or even an overnight getaway, I can't recommend this place enough. All right, guys, my trip to Strawberry Hills have come to an end. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do, for all your Jamaican content. And this is how I spent my day at Strawberry Hills. See you soon.